Percy, what on earth are you talking about? Oh, Percy, you're such a silly little engine. Yes, silly. Everyone knows that ghosts aren't real. And even if there is a ghost engine on this line, I wouldn't be scared of it. I would just tell it to go away. Anyway, I haven't got time to stand around and listen to stupid ghost stories. I have a train to pull. Goodbye. Where is Percy? He should know better than to hold me up for my evening train. Well, it sure feels like it. Toby, what's wrong? Oh, poor engine. Botheration! That means I'll be late. Oh, when I get my buffers on that, Percy. But what? Well, out with it, Toby. I can't wait here all evening. Sure it is. Don't be frightened, Toby. I'll take care of you. Now, if you'll excuse me, I need some beauty sleep before my next train. Good night. Toby, cut it out. I'm trying to get some sleep. But we're the only ones here. So, if it wasn't you, and it wasn't me, then who could it... Oh no. This isn't real. This isn't real. Rah! It's the ghost engine! Don't let it get me! Huh? Oh well, I knew you were sad about Percy, and I didn't want to intrude, so I slept in the goods sheds at Knapford, and sorry, I can't stop. I got to see a coach about a train. I see a roach about a crane. I gotta go.